pearls of wisdom. I can accept failure, but I can't accept not trying. You can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. If you learn from a defeat, you haven't really lost. Happiness is not something you find, but rather something you create. The biggest failure of all is the person who never tries. An admission of error is a sign of strength rather than a confession of weakness. Doing a thing nearly right and doing it exactly right is usually the difference between the success and failure. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. The race is not always won by the fastest runner, but sometimes by those who just keep on running. People forget how fast you did a job, but they remember how well you did it. Apparently, the best way to get more out of life is to put more into it. Don't stay in bed unless you can make money in bed. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for, it is a thing to be achieved. Spend your time wisely. Yesterday is a cancelled check. Tomorrow is a promissory note. Today is the only cash you have, so spend it wisely. Thank you.